Friends of knowledge and exploration, welcome. I'm delighted to greet you in our community of like-minded individuals who share a passion for understanding the world around us. Keep enjoying the videos. Traditional street food preparation on charcoal in Vietnamese cities has deep historical and practical roots. This practice has its own characteristics that reflect cultural preferences, climatic conditions, and resource availability. Vietnamese cuisine is rich in diverse dishes that were traditionally cooked over an open flame or charcoal. This cooking method imparts a distinctive flavor and aroma to the food, serving as one of the indicators of authentic Vietnamese cuisine. Cooking over charcoal imparts a special aroma and taste to the food. It helps accentuate the flavor qualities of the dishes and make them more appetizing. Charcoal has been and remains widely available resources in many regions of Vietnam. It is a cheap and convenient way to provide fire for cooking. Many traditional Vietnamese recipes involve cooking over charcoal, and the use of this method may be associated with preserving the authenticity of the dishes. On the other hand, the use of bottled gas in street food preparation also has its justifications. Bottled gas is a more efficient and cost-effective source of heat compared to charcoal. It provides a more stable and controllable flame. Using bottled gas is more convenient, clean, and less time-consuming than preparing charcoal and building a fire. In modern Vietnamese cities, you can observe both traditional cooking over charcoal and the use of bottled gas in street food preparation. These methods often coexist depending on chefs' preferences, resource availability, and modern technologies. I hope that this video has been interesting for you. Please leave likes, comments, and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on all the new videos. Your active participation helps me understand what interests you and allows me to create content that inspires you.